Earlier this morning, a collision occurred between a Via Rail train and a double-decker bus. The bus route was 76, heading north on the Transway parallel to Woodruff Avenue. We're still trying to learn the details of how this tragedy occurred, and we'll be sharing that information as it becomes available. We will be working closely with all agencies as they determine the circumstances that led to this collision, and all agencies that are required are on scene and responded immediately.
In total, there were 31 patients transported from the scene to the area hospitals. 11 of those patients were considered in critical condition. The distribution, 4 were transported to the Queensway Carleton, 4 to the Civic campus of the Ottawa Hospital, 6 to the general campus of the Ottawa Hospital, and 17 to the Mulford. And that seems like a big number for one institution, but they were the less critical patients. That was done purposely to spread the patients amongst our institutions so appropriate care could be given, and they were transported in an OC Transpo bus with paramedics on board. Tragically, I have to report that at the scene, paramedics had to declare 5 persons deceased on scene. Nothing could be done, and of the 31 that were transported, we've just been advised that 1 is now deceased in hospital for a total of 6 deaths at this point.
We're working with Via Rail and OC Transpo to gather all the necessary evidence that we need in order to be able to determine the exact cause of this crash. We're aware that Via Rail has equipment on board their trains that will aid the investigation, and we'll be working with OC Transpo to determine exactly if they have any devices on board that will help support the investigation.